Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the language on a Nintendo 3DS easily. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the Nintendo 3DS interface. This is actually a new Nintendo 2DS XL, but the interface is the same on this as the 3DS and all of those other systems. They all fall within the same interface group. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to settings right here. So system settings is going to be over here. This little, it looks like a wrench over here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to system settings right here. I'm going to hit the A button to open it up. It's going to go ahead and show that screen, and we're going to go into the system settings. Okay. And then we're going to select other settings. There's different versions of settings that you can click here. I'm going to click other settings. This is going to bring up a whole bunch of other settings that we can choose from. Profile, date and time, touchscreen. Go to the next one, about the system, sound, mic check. Mic check. I sound like I'm like a DJ, Nintendo 3DS over here. I'm just kidding. Mic test, not mic check. We're not DJ Nintendo 3DS over here. We're just a video tutorial maker. Go to the next page. Outer camera, circle pad, system transfer. Next page, language, system update, format, system memory. Let's do a quiz. Which one do you think you're going to click? You're going to click language. When you click language, it tells you can choose, select the language you want to use. English, Francais, Espanol, Portuguese. So English, French, Spanish, or Portuguese. You're going to click the one that you want, click OK, and you're good to go. I'm not going to change the language because although I do speak very lightly in each of these languages, except French, I have a decent amount of French. Spanish, my father actually speaks Spanish. He learned that when he was in high school and college. And Portuguese, I have lots of Portuguese friends, so I know quite a bit of Portuguese. I know a little bit of each of these. I'm not comfortable enough to change my system because I might not know how to get back to this screen. So I'm not going to change my language, but choose your language that you want to change it to, click OK, and you're good to go. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.